you have what most of us would call a chicken wing, which is essentially the left elbow is pointing up into the air as you move into the follow-through. Now first, it's important to understand that that's probably there for a reason, and it's a reaction to some other part of the swing. You may have to solve the other part of the swing before you can actually solve this one. But when you're ready, the answer to the chicken wing is incredibly simple. Where that elbow folds is entirely dependent on how much rotation there is of that lead arm as you move up into the follow-through after impact. If from impact we don't allow there to be any rotation of that arm at all, my elbow is still on top of my arm, and of course when I fold it, it'll point up. If I was allowing there to be a little more rotation, where the elbow points behind me, of course that arm would be more horizontal. And if I allowed even more rotation, the elbow is now pointing down, and of course that means the arm will fold vertically. So how much we allow that arm to rotate will determine whether we have a chicken wing or a more neutral looking finish. To begin with, it's good to have a few practice swings. We're coming down into impact, and then after impact, the left arm rolls over, the right hand is going to have to move over the left, and then as you move up into the follow-through, you'll start to see the elbow point down as the arm is folding, and then if you continue that feeling, you'll get to your full finish. So once you've felt that a few times, hit a shot and see if you can repeat the same mechanics.